Hi guys, we came to a museum. There are so many chocolates here around the girls are These are all cocoa beans. And these are the girls are wearing a beautiful dress with the chocolates. And another girl has a beautiful dress here like a butterfly and some flowers. So those are the chocolates. And here is the chocolate pots and cocoa beans. Everything's looking so good. Here are the cocoa beans machine. This is cocoa names and cocoa butter, cocoa powder, milk powder, plant sugar, canned sugar and coconut sugar, and the last one is cocoa hush. This is a machine so we can keep everything and mix it like this. It's all looking so beautiful. With the coconut, actually they're made with the chocolate cream, so that's why they have made like this. Next one music is blowing instruments. Even this is made from chocolates. It's Little Red Riding Hood is your favorite cartoon. One girl is holding something at her hand like writing welcome like that. Is it made of chocolates? Of course. And here are all the cocoa beans. And they made a big water bottle with the chocolate. How so nice, na, guys? That's all, guys. We will meet in next video. Bye. Please subscribe to Prajna's Universe. Please like our videos. Share to your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell button. Bye.